Welcome back everyone to let's say not monthly, but it's from now on gonna be basically weekly calls, mentoring calls. I'm gonna try to do weekly, basically every Sunday 7 p.m. If nothing specific, let's say related topic, strong topic, we can do some live calls, voice calls, or like Q&A, basic activities. Maybe someone got some questions, or maybe I'm gonna notice something happening in chats, which one is very important topics. Let's say someone is asking questions related. But today is gonna be related to online arbitrage sourcing activities and how to use sourcing tool, let's say specific sections, and how we as Mental Picks sourcing team, let's say sourcing online arbitrage leads. I'm gonna explain you a little bit, let's say professional ways, and you can scale up your online arbitrage game too on top. Let's say if you want to do that manually or maybe with virtual assistants, like you can adjust your activities basically. So I'm gonna go straight to our one of the multiple spreadsheets, let's say, of our virtual assistant. Which one? Let's say of the last ones, Cocoon Center is gonna be Cocoon Center. I'm gonna open Amazon itself listing and straight away Cocoon Center website. So we got Cocoon Center, this option, which one is the brand itself, Photo Protector Transparent Spray Wet Skin, like something related to protect your skin, let's say. It's a sprayer. Straight away you can see it is pressurized item, which one is bottle with the pressure. Automatically it becomes dangerous goods. No needed any sourcing tools or any warnings. Amazon should be, most of the time, should be giving you in shipping plan as dangerous goods. So basically it's gonna go in separate shipment, let's say. So it's always to collect as many as you can dangerous goods, and then in one go you can send that, let's say, with courier. Going to the Amazon listing itself, price already in. I'm using Bible Pro. You can use SAS, whatever you want to use that. It's gonna be very similar, should be. It's just layouts could be different. And automatically what we're checking is automatically pictures. This one is almost perfect matching. Like you see, it's the same item. This one 30 SPF 30 SPF transparent spray wet skin is then the same brand. Maybe just slight coloring difference, but it's almost 100% matching. Then straight away going into the titles itself, making sure brand itself is matching, is done. Some title inputs, milliliters matching, 250, 250. So basically it's matching. Then I'm going straight to the brand inputs. I want to see brand related to this item itself. If it's not, we dropping in our spreadsheets like or lead drops as saying fake brand inputs, but we digging deeper, let's say data, to make sure it's safe to go. This one is matching, is then store, so the same brand, everything is matching basically. Inputs, purchasing price, selling price automatically pops out from Amazon itself what they're selling at that moment, and pushing analyze, and you're getting this data, which one for me personally, for my account is gated. I can push that. Sometimes it's ungating automatically, sometimes it's not. So for this situation it's not. So for each of you guys is going to be different, slightly something, so you can play around with these clicks. Dangerous goods automatically shows yellow, means something is related to dangerous goods, but like I said previously, it's pressurized goods, so I don't need even the sourcing tool. I know it's going to be dangerous goods. Everything else is green, like you see. IP radar system data shows if something happened in history, in past with that brand. And obviously our numbers, fees, Amazon fees, fulfillment fees, whatever you got in settings, in your Bible Pro settings, you're gonna see here. And we got ROI and profits. This one is solid. as hell, actually. But obviously, like I said, it's dangerous goods, so it needs to be shipped separately. So that's a little bit small issue, let's say. But profitability is good. Imagine like it's selling how many 22, so maybe purchasing 10, you know, or 8, 7. So easy money, let's say, and you can mix with other shipments related to dangerous goods. Checking this chart, which is competition data, not chart, competition data, sellers. This newbie. So when you see multiple newbies, it's good sign, means it's nothing, no issues causing that ASIN. Obviously going into the chart itself straight away, and automatically 90 days we got. You can always put 30 days. You can see some recent sale happen. Bigger frame looks like that, quite stable. It's kind of waves, nothing special, no big waves, normal waves of the price activities and sell account. Opening bigger frame, again nothing special, it is like it is. So we always with the sourcing team checking competition count. Let's say if we see big drops at the bottom, let's say left 2 or 3 sellers from 20, from 15 sellers, means something is suspicious activity, and most likely it's going to be IP drops or whatever ASIN causing issues, and then we not uploading these stuff, means it's not good to go. If we do that, means it's done by mistake, because it should be not done. But if you see waves, it's not no big straight drops, it's actually good, nothing bad in it. Obviously, who's eBay sellers? Bible Pro got this pop out, which one is eBay section 2. So sold eBay, eBay existing, sold eBay, you can double check, you know, clicking on it. It's gonna pop out the actual eBay data on that specific item. It's gonna be related to eBay data for this EAN number. So who was creating on eBay, you're gonna see exactly. So this is how quickly we double checking each deal, let's say, on Bible Pro, and similar is gonna be with SAS2 or whatever sourcing tool you're using. If you need specific settings, always go to your settings and put, if you're not VAT registered, it's gonna be non-VAT register account or whatever you need to choose. Maybe you are, I'm not sure. Pre-fee, I'm putting zeros, we're not putting nothing because it's not making sense even to, because it's gonna be effective to all different items, which one is not correlated most of the time. And yeah, looks like that. Settings, if you're watching this, basically just double check by your needs, actual needs from your end, what you necessary to have inputs. This one, minimum profit, minimum ROI, I don't know, it's just for the signal to become to control these colors, you know, like low red or green, whatever. Just basic notifications comes out. Let's move on to another one. So basically this is how it looks, sourcing tool itself, activity, just straightforward. Now, how to source your deals, very important stuff, how to source your deals. If you want to watch this all long video without ads and all detailed informations related to this sourcing online arbitrage activities, join us on our Discord private group, where we're sharing all freshest leads related to retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, all guidances, and obviously all these mentoring calls for you too each weekend. Join us, you're gonna love it. Let's go.
Look, Ma!